Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, if you like today's weather and yesterday's weather, you're going to like tomorrow's weather and Saturday's weather as well. But we do have change on the way in the form of showers and thunderstorms, and that's going to get here either late Sunday night or into Monday next week. Certainly looking like a change in the pattern. Several changes, mind you. Let's take a look, though, at the big picture. And as we watch a big winter storm, this is going to be, by the way, an epic winter storm for portions of Wyoming, Colorado, where we're looking at snows on the order of 2 to 4 feet, maybe 5 feet in spots, and that's going to spill into the high plains as well. So an interesting scenario developing to our north. Eventually we get some air from this part of the world, so we got some chilly air coming down the road, and that's going to be toward the end of next week. Meanwhile, we're watching a storm system back here in California. It's producing rain, snow at elevation. It's going to activate the subtropical jet stream, and it all spells a change in the pattern, but it's going to take 2 to 3 more days to unfold. Meanwhile, we're dealing with plenty of high clouds and some clouds coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, and that at least is keeping our temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80. Otherwise, we might be pushing record temperatures. And underneath those clouds, we have been seeing on the Doppler radars a few spotty showers back into southeast Texas. Going to keep rain chance for us locally at about 10% as high pressure off to our east is dominating more so than the atmosphere back to the west here that's a little bit more unstable and allowing for that Gulf moisture to precipitate on an isolated basis back to our west. So another breezy and mild night tonight. We start out with temperatures in the low to mid 60s. Tomorrow, a breezy and warm day. Once again, that cloud and sun mix during the afternoon. Temperatures near 80. Breezy south winds, but not quite as gusty as they have been over the last couple of days, but still some gusts up to 20 to 25. And it remains breezy going into Saturday, but again, winds not too terribly strong. But as we head into Sunday, that's when low pressure gets cranked up, and we'll see that pressure gradient tightening up in the afternoon, and it could get downright windy. It does look like most of the rain chances hold off until after dark Sunday, which, by the way, Sunday will be an hour later since we are springing ahead this weekend with the clocks. But here we go with the European model. We're going to have a trailing frontal boundary, all that snow off to the north and west, but there could be a severe weather threat, and we'll have a better idea on the delineation on who's going to be under the severe weather risk. It looks mainly to the northern part of the state, but we will have to watch things as it does look like we'll have some strong storms around on Monday, and then a couple of more impulses coming in, and we could see another round of healthy storms going into early Wednesday or during the day Wednesday. Timing still out quite yet, but then cooler air will be spilling into the region toward the end of next week, and we'll be seeing lows in the 40s and highs down into the lower 60s perhaps. Rainfall, we could get a good soaking. Preliminary look at the Euro model over the next 6 to 7 days showing perhaps a good soaking down the line, but that is subject to change. Temperature-wise tonight, low to mid 60s. Tomorrow, back up to near 80 degrees. So we'll go 63 the low tonight. Nice evening. That humidity coming up just a bit. Another spring-like day tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 with that sun and cloud mix. And as we move into the weekend, not much change. That rain chance is late Sunday afternoon, evening at 40%, 60% at least on Monday. And it looks unsettled and a little stormy at least through the middle part of next week. That's it for weather. We'll be right back right after this.